How to add music to your profile on email. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to make your profile a bit more personal and expressive, adding music to your profile is a simple way. First of all, launch open the emo application on your device, and once you're inside the chat screen, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile picture. After you're inside this Me menu, go ahead and tap on your name at the top and you'll be taken to this page where you need to click on the edit button at the bottom right corner. After you're inside this edit profile section, go to music widget. Now you can select the music you want for your profile. From the list of available music, select the one. Right after you select a music, the music will be added to your profile. Now if you get back to your profile section, you'll be able to play the music every time you open up this profile section. You can always change your music by coming to your profile and tapping on this music note at the top right. Select a different music you want to change to, and there you go. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.